What's up, everyone? I've got an interesting project to share with you guys today. It's called Cash Printer. Now, I just discovered these guys today, and I think actually they just opened the Telegram Discord to everybody. There's only about 400 members last time I looked, so this one's very early. And what this is going to be, it's going to be a fork of drip. So it's going to be a drip fork, and it's going to be the first one. Importantly, it's going to be the first one on the Fantom blockchain. Um, so as we've seen, if we go over and check how well drip performed, drip was like the first of its kind, right? That's why we say that all these forks coming up now are forks of drip. Um, and what these protocols basically do is they are a staking platform where you stake your tokens and you earn drip. It was you earned 1% on on your balance per day for 365 days. Now, because of its success recently and in the last couple of months, people have now started to make different forks, and we've seen a couple of others start now. Notably, one of them, Splassive, which was the first fork to be done on the Avalanche chain, which was also a huge success. Started down there right at almost nothing and went all the way up to $50. People made some crazy money on this one too. Um, and now this one's going to be the first one launching the Fantom network. So it's nice and early on this one, only a few hundred members in the Telegram, it only just started today. So there's obviously, going to be plenty of opportunities to, find yourself a whitelist spot or try and get in some sort of pre-sale or private sale depending on how things go. Like I said, this is very early on, so there's certain information isn't available yet, but we're just gonna have to wait for the project to progress basically. Um, they've got a working website. They've got a Twitter, and they've got a Telegram group. So this is the website at the moment. So it's just kind of very typical compared to Splassive and Drip. You've got the bank. This is going to be where you buy and sell your tokens. Um, you know it's pretty much identical to how Splassive and Drip works. It's going to be 10% on taxes. Then it's going to be 10% on 10% charge on deposits as well. So the bank here is where you're going to be buying and selling your tokens. Um, then the ATM here, this is going to be where you deposit your tokens. It's going to be like kind of the dashboard. It's going to show you how much you're earning and stuff like that. These guys are going to do the referral system like Drip and Splassive have done as well, where you create your buddy address, and then when people use your buddy address, then you're going to earn like a certain amount from that. And yeah, that's pretty much in a nutshell how it works. So I'm excited about this one. Other thing to note is that I've seen um, they have got some further utilities that they've mentioned on their announcement page. The first one is this is the cash pad here, so I guess this is going to be some sort of launch pad. And in order to qualify for um, the cash pad, you're going to need to hold and have a certain amount of tokens staked, cash P tokens. And they do state that there is going to be further utilities, so but as of yet, we still haven't got any further information on that. So this one's very early on. I'm very interested to see how this project progresses over the next coming days and weeks. As of yet, I haven't got a proper timeline for when things are going to happen, but as soon as we get like a white paper done and small pieces, then we're gonna know a little bit more information. So it's going to be a 2% daily return, this one. Drip and Splassive were just 1%, so it's going to be double that, which is interesting. And yes, like I say, quite early on, I haven't got a lot of information, but so far the Telegram seems to be picking up quite fast. A lot of people joining. The team's quite active in there, and yeah, I feel it looks positive so far. So that's pretty much all I've got to say in it today. You know, I'll put all the information about the project in the description below, all the links, that kind of stuff. So you can go check out for yourself and get over into the Telegram and try and find your way to get into some sort of whitelist or pre-sale or private sale, depending on how these guys do things. And so that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.